Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Well, let me explain. I may be a little older, but I still love my walks. There's nothing like a good stroll with my human to keep these old paws moving. And don't even get me started on playtime. I might not be as fast as I used to be, but I still give it my all. But after all that fun, these stairs? Nope, not for me. But that's why I've got my Homelift by Cambridge Elevating. No more stairs for this pup. Just a smooth, easy ride up. It was quick to install, doesn't take up much space, and makes getting around the house super easy. This thing is a game changer. It's compact, reliable, and perfect for anyone who wants to keep their independence without all the fuss. And you know what? My humans love it too. No more lugging groceries or laundry up the stairs. They think it's just for me, but I know they appreciate it just as much. So whether it's keeping me mobile or making life easier for them, trust Homelifts by Cambridge Elevating. Affordable mobility for every home and everyone.